Hey, what's up my friends? I've been using these garden snips for about 3 years now, and there's two crucial things that I think you need to know about them before you spend your money on them. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second, but let's just go over some of the features and what it's like to actually use these things. So these are an ergonomic snip, which means they use the shape of the snips to actually make the cut a little bit easier, easier on the grip, easier on the wrist, all of that sort of stuff, which I was really attracted to, but it came with some added benefits that I didn't really realize was going to be a part of it before I bought them. As you can see, over the 2 years, my grip has kind of slipped towards the top of the handle, but it hasn't affected the usage of those. I think that would be my only complaint about these, but I am so grateful for these foam grips that are on it because it makes it so much more comfortable to use. And the spring right here is a closed spring, if you can see that right there. So what that means is dirt, grime, branches, leaves, all of that sort of stuff can't get into that spring and make it so it's not operational. So as you can see, after 2 years or 3 years of good use in these things, I really don't remember if it's 2 or 3 years, but that long of use on these things, they still have all that spring to them. Next is like any good snip, you have a locking mechanism. So when you hold them shut, you can lock them just like that. That's how I store them in my gardening bucket, and it stores up nice. The blades have been absolutely amazing. I've never sharpened them. I've never done anything to them at all, and they still cut like butter. And that's really important, obviously, when you're using these things, because this can put a lot of strain on your hand, especially when you're using them a lot. So I just want to demonstrate how easy it is. Oh, one other thing I want to talk about is like the curved blade right here. So the curved blade is what helps the branch settle down into the middle of the blade. You may have used straight blade pruners before, and what happens is the branch slips out of the blade. This is what prevents that. And all of this, you can even see the paint has started to wear off of these. All of this is metal. This is a completely metal, all of it's metal. I don't know how else to say it, but which obviously helps with the strength and the longevity of these things. I've absolutely loved them. So I just want to show you here. I just want to find a pretty sizable branch and something that's not going to mess my bush up too much. All right, so I just want to show you really quick, just on this branch, pretty sizable. I can get that little arm in there, and it's an easy snip. See that? All right, my friends, not much to these, but man, they are so helpful in the garden. I am so grateful for them, and I hope you like them as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.